Right now, the PFY wireless follow focus is set up on Sony a7 III, and I will show you how it works with 25mm SLR Magic lens. And when I'm turning the follow focus, you can see the gears are turning as well. When using manual lens with the PFY wireless focus, I would suggest to set up focus picking on your camera. If you want to learn how to do that, there are plenty of videos, but I set up my focus picking with the yellow outline. Moving follow focus right now and looking at the subject, you can see the yellow outlines picking. When they show, I know my focus is on point. In this little segment, we are set up for what we call a rack focus, or A and B points on a wireless follow focus by PFY. This is point A, hard stop, and this is point B, hard stop, and those are totally adjustable. You can untwist it and you can move it depending on the type of settings that you have. Subject A right here, and right behind we have subject B right over here. So these focus pulls are going to be between those 2 points, point A to point B, point A and point B, point A to point B. In this little segment, I'll be showing you how to program follow focus using a special feature that PFY follow focus offers, which is not using the hard stop. You can see I move those hard stops out of the way, but we will be using a jog dial method and hotkey type of a method of programming rack focus. So I wanted to show you this jog dial functionality. You can see those arrows pointed at 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. And we will be programming those points using digital method. Let's go ahead and turn on the gimbal and follow focus. And now follow focus. Okay, both of those things are turned on now, and we will start programming according to our subjects that we are going to film. This one is our subject A, and this one is our subject B. So we're going to be switching automatically using the follow focus program points to rack focus between A and B. Now remember that this particular follow focus allowing us to actually program 4 points, A, B, C, and D points. So you can technically rack focus to 4 different subjects, 4 different points digitally. Okay, now we are going to program the set points using jog dial on PFY follow focus. So we're going to program first point, which is point A, press on the upper arrow at the 12 o'clock and hold it. And as you can see, now A appeared on the LCD display of the follow focus. So now we need to turn to the point B. We're going to press arrow at 3 o'clock and hold it. And you can see the point B is also set up here. So that concludes the programming. So if you have another two subjects that you want to move the follow focus to, you can program the same way point C and point D. So let's say you made a mistake on the point B, you want to hold it at 3 o'clock until B disappears. And that's how you can reprogram it. So now, since we had set it everything okay now, we go ahead and hold it one more time. B will appear, and that's how you program it. Now we're going to take a look how it works using and looking at LCD display on the camera. So we're going to set up point A, and the subject A is in focus now. By pressing point B, it automatically and quickly moves to subject B. So once again, point A, point B. One more time, point A, point B. Now recording it with the camera, we actually enable the recording. Point A, point B. Point A, point B. Now we're going to see how the lens gear is operating in action from point A to point B. Point A and point B. Point A and point B. Hi, my name is Alex Tallis, and I'm a director and producer at Bluebonnet Media Group. In conclusion of this video tutorial, this follow focus is versatile and loaded with a variety of professional features. PFY follow focus can be used on gimbal or off gimbal with the right power adapter. Please leave your questions or comments in the comment section below. If you like this video, smash that like button below and subscribe to my channel. Stand by for an upcoming Focus Labs video tutorial, and happy shooting. Bye-bye.